Hey advisory. It's really nice to get back into the swing of things with you this week in eSchool. I do really miss seeing your faces though, so I thought I would show mine and hopefully you guys can show me more of yours. I really would love to see pictures of you guys doing some of these challenges. And I noticed that some of you had actually started to fill out your advisory week one fun activity challenge, but then you hadn't actually put in pictures. So I kind of wanted to just go over that with you quickly to make sure that you knew how. So let's get there. So if you go into your Google Classroom or if you follow that link that I sent you the other day, you will get to this slideshow. And this was the one that I did. So remember your challenge was how long can you hold a plank or a headstand? And I would love to post these pictures to Instagram on our page and just like have some fun and be goofy. If you don't want your picture posted, I will not post it. I will ask before I post. So please don't let that inhibit you from doing it on here. So here's mine. I posted this picture here. I circled headstand. Remember, you can move these circles. So they're there for you to like say which one you're doing. You guys can adjust the time of how long you were in there. I would love to know your this or that's. I've already seen that a lot of you prefer Snapchat stories to Instagram. That's awesome. Unfortunately, that's something we can't do with the school. So I really want to make this still like fun and active for you guys while we're all kind of sitting at home. So since we can't use Snapchat, we're going to try this Instagram thing. So for those of you that have still, I'm going to go to JD's because she hasn't filled anything out yet. So you can move these circles and apply this or that. And then when you do your headstand or your plank, you can move it to wherever, and then put in your length of time. Like maybe you can only hold it 15 seconds. That's fine. It doesn't matter. It's just a fun little thing. And then what you're going to do for paste a selfie of yourself, all you're going to do is take a picture on your phone or have somebody take a picture on your phone, and then you're going to email it to yourself. I'm sure you all know how to do that, but when you like are on your phone and you see the picture, you can always hit that little send to button and email it to your school computer account. And then once you have it emailed to your account, you can go into your email, right? And I sent this picture to myself. So now I can pull up this image. And I am going to just use my snip tool. New, and I am going to snip this picture of myself. Okay, then you're going to go to, I'm going to bring this down, then you're going to go to edit, copy, and then you're going to go back to your page and you're going to do you're going to hit Control V as in Victor. And then that picture should pop up and you can make it smaller or larger, whatever. And you're just going to move it in front of that. You can also click on this box in the background and actually just delete that too. Okay. So there you have your picture and how to do that. Also, please make sure you're filling in your challenge sheet. This is just something where we're literally just trying to gather ideas of things you guys might want to do over the internet and like over Instagram or even possibly through Snapchat eventually. So mine up here, you know, your challenge is to make yourself look like your best friend. We want to do something with an animal competition. So pretty basic stuff, but if you can think of anything way more fun than I can, that would be awesome because I obviously don't have all the best ideas. I'm not totally in the know. So I'm counting on you guys for that. So I hope to see more of your faces now that I've shown you how to do this. I would really, really, really love to see pictures of you all. Again, I will not post them unless you give me permission to do so. So please, please, please show me your beautiful faces. I miss you, and I will see you soon. Have a good night.